So IUC. So here we have CNC lathe machine that you program the machine to work on its own. Like you can see, we have multiple choices just for storage purpose. They're actually very heavy industrial machines, as you can see. So here we have the keyboard where you sign in the design, you sign in the instruction of the X and Y axis of the machine to move right, working on the piece and depending on the shape. So some of them have both the milling and the lathe machine together. While we have all this user interface where you sign in the option of you on the machine, you off, you the speed to regulate depending on what you want. So that actually this one you connect it to the computer using your computer after designing. You send an instruction to the machine, then the machine does take over. They're actually in different choices. So these are actually then we have different because so these are very easy to work because you just actually sign all the options here and give the dimensions and everything without actually touching the piece or trying to control the machine by mechanical. So this communicates actually with your laptop or your computer. So these are a whole industrial one actually. So there are actually a lot of features. Like if you look here, this actually the control tableau. We have different contactors, we have timers. The timers are all connected to the control interface. That in the timers we control each direction, like the Y axis have some timers, or you have the X axis have timer. And when you go, you sign in the code like the XXDs to this dimension. Now the timers are communicating together. It's going to like have the shape of the piece, if they're round, something like that. You work together with the lathe part or the mill part. So all the angles we move it together, trying to shape the part using the various types of tools like the drills and the carbide tools and etc. So they're very good. This having different control interface like the brain, you have chips and you have power contactors and timers. So this is actually an automated system with a lot of power supplies inside. So I think it's a place to start. Like you see, most students want to actually come out with an engineering. Yeah, they are actually having good tools here, and just for you to take time to see that you can do what you want to do because there are actually a lot of facility of machine. It's very wonder that you can see a school having machinery like this. So if any student just can go to school actually learning, then it's your fault because everything lies in your hand. The machines are actually there and seats are actually very good machinery. So you have very good machine like this are actually more protected. When working you have splash of space and with the spin of the and the choke of the lathe machine you can see. So we cover this to avoid particles of iron in the process of drilling or lathing. And after that I think going to the spindle or the choke can control the tool while spinning, just free it out to remove. So here we have manual controls to route it left, right, and sometimes you program them to still control that in the manual way. So it depends. So what do you actually want to do and why are you doing what you are doing? So these are actually machinery actually. So why do you do what you are doing? Because these are machines. What do you want to do? Which problem have you actually identified in society to solve? Because these are machines and we have all of them. Even some of the what we just call manual, they have some side part of the control interface of the automatic, but you just need to pop all your ideas, search the society, see what as a problem to solve. I think with this machinery will help you just to facilitate the process of coming out with the result of the product or the machine you want to come by bring rockets or etc. So thank you and make sure you know exactly where you are going and what you need and the exact tools that will be able to bring you out that good output.
School's name.
So this actually the IUC laboratory like is being equipped like actually like a base part of an industry. So it's in IUC and a lot of facilities of machines. So it's actually an industry already. So I don't know what students actually want. They want to go to masters, so it's very crazy. Thank you.